Hi guys, this is Jahir from Jahir Design. In this tutorial, you will learn the ultimate high-in-face retouching technique in Photoshop that will transform your photos into stunning masterpieces. Duplicate the background layer and rename it if you want. Right-click the layer and convert it into a smart object. Change its blending mode from normal to vivid light. Go to the image menu, adjustments, invert. You can also use the shortcut key Ctrl+I. Go to the filter menu, other, hypers. Gradually increase the radius until the spots are completely invisible. Click OK. Go to the filter menu, blur, Gaussian blur. Again, gradually increase the radius to your preference. Click OK. Create a layer mask on the skin softening layer. Invert the layer mask using the shortcut key Ctrl+I. Select the brush tool and set the opacity and flow to 60%. Make sure that foreground color is white. Adjust the brush size and start painting over the face to remove dark and red spots or to soften the skin. Finally, compare the before and after images and admire the transformation. Don't forget to hit the like button if you learned something new, and stay tuned for more tutorials from Jahir Design. Happy retouching!